Join me in my kitchen. Let's prepare this vegetable and okra soup in one pot. Watch to the end and share. Enjoy watching. This is catfish. Locust beans. Just little. That is the okra, so I'll just mix it together, make sure everything's well combined. Yeah, have you liked my video? Have you subscribed? Follow me for more delicious recipes. So I'm using spinach vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Watch this video to the end and share. Thank you. I put the head. You scatter. The head is to add flavor to my soup, not to leave it side. Where's the other one? You scatter.